Xiaomi had sold around 1 million units of Mi Band 3 since its launch. It's priced just Rs 1,999. What does this Mi Band offer? What's the improvement over its outgoing model? What comes inside the box? We'll find out in this video. Before unboxing, let's quickly check out its basic specs. It got 0.78-inch OLED display, 108 mAh battery, heart rate sensor, and notification alert. It is made in China and price mentioned in the box is Rs 2199. Now opening up the box, we get the band itself. Beside it, we get the charging cable. It's a unique looking cable. I will tell you how to connect it with the band later on. On the other side, we get the user manual which gives basic information about the band. Coming to the band, the design aesthetics of the Mi Band 3 is more or less the same as its predecessor. The way it buckles up is also the same. What is new here is the big OLED display, which is also now touch sensitive rather than tactile button as seen in the outgoing model. Taking the model out from the band is quite a task. It requires some effort, but you will get used to it after some time. The biggest downside of Mi Band 3 is that you need to unplug the module from the band whenever you need to charge. Pop out the module and slide it in the cable deck, which comes bundled with it. It takes around 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge. Now coming back to the band, it got a number of inbuilt features. The first row, we get the step counter, distance covered, and battery info. Second row, we have a heart rate monitor. To measure your heart rate, wear the band and hold the button. Heart rate measure will begin and the green light will glow. To get perfect result, wear the band slightly above the wrist as mentioned in the manual. In the third row, we get 3 days temperature info, which will only be updated when it is connected to the smartphone. Fourth row, we have a workout info and exercise which monitors your heart during your gym sessions. Fifth row, we get stopwatch and timer. Sixth row, we get additional settings like silent mode, find my device, changing the theme, factory reset, and about info. There are total 3 watch faces built in. To change the theme, long press on the button, tap on one of the theme you like to change to. To connect the band with the smartphone, download the Mi Fit app and create the Mi account or login if you already had one. Now press the plus button on the top right corner and select the band. Now allow all the permission they ask for. Then your smartphone will start searching for the nearby bands. Bring the band near to your smartphone for quick pairing. Once connected, you will get all the data in your smartphone. You can turn on app notification, call notification in the profile section to get notification in the band. There is also lift to view info, night mode, screen lock, sleep monitoring features which you can play around. You can even get a navigation direction in your band, but that required a separate app which we will talk about in some other video. So that's the general overview of the Mi Band 3. Do subscribe the channel and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. A review video will be out very soon. If you have any queries regarding the band, do comment down below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.
That good shit.